What if you could turn any thought into a stunning image or video, just by typing? CapCut has recently added a lot of features in the latest updates. We're starting here on the main CapCut home screen. You can see your recent projects and various starting points like Create Project or Start with Script. But our focus today is on the powerful AI capabilities. Head over to the left sidebar and click on Create with AI. This brings us to the AI Hub. You'll immediately notice three primary AI-powered tools: the image generator, the video generator, and the AI avatar generator. A lot of people were asking where the AI lip sync moved in CapCut PC, so now it's present in the AI Hub. Let's take a quick look at the showcase. You can browse through popular AI-generated content to get ideas. As I scroll down, you can see diverse examples of AI-created images. Let's click on this intriguing image of a skull adorned with flowers and butterflies. When you open a showcase item, you can view the full image and, crucially, see the image prompt that was used to generate it. This is incredibly helpful for learning how to craft effective prompts yourself. To use this prompt for your own generation, simply click the copy icon next to the prompt text. A copied notification confirms it. I'm back on the AI Hub. Just to show you, if I click the AI Shorts tab again, it takes me back to the video showcase. These are AI-generated short videos. Let's click on this one titled The True Love. It previews within the interface.
There's an old dog in Angelville named Buck, who's very good at making woolen hats. Legend has it that wearing a beautiful hat in Angelville will attract the angels.
Welcome to Buck's hat.
You can see how the AI has generated a storyline and visuals based on the underlying prompt or script. It's quite impressive for automated content creation. Let's go back to the showcase and switch from AI Shorts to product design. As you can see, the showcase updates with different categories of AI-generated content. On this side, you can see a lot of cool AI tools offered by CapCut PC. Now let's explore how to generate our own images. Under the Image Generator section, click the Generate button. This is our image generation workspace. The first step is to describe the image you want to generate in this text box. Under Model, CapCut offers various AI models. Image 3.0 is generally recommended for its studio quality and precise text generation, supporting native 2K resolution. I'll keep that selected. For resolution, you can choose between standard 1K or high 2K. For more detailed images, let's keep it default for optimal quality. Below that, you'll find dimensions and aspect ratio. Now, in the text box, you can either type your prompt directly, or if you have a reference image, you can upload it using the reference icon. There's also an option to draw text on image if you want to guide the AI with specific text placement. I'm going to paste a detailed prompt I copied earlier. This prompt describes a large, chubby, round white cat with melting vanilla ice cream and a mallard duck with a bandaged wing and strawberry ice cream. Once your prompt is ready and your settings are chosen, click the Generate button. You can also find your available credits here, which will refresh every 24 hours. Now let's generate the images and wait for the results. The images are now being generated. This usually takes a few moments. And there they are. 4 unique images generated based on our prompt. If you hover over any image, you'll see options to upscale for even higher resolution, retouch for minor adjustments, in-paint to remove or add elements, or generate video from this image. Now I know these are not like the chubby cat video you see in videos, so let's try generating a new set of images with a different prompt. I'll clear the current prompt and paste a new one. With the new prompt in place and our previous settings still active, I'll click Generate again. The new images are now being generated. Fantastic! 4 new images of an orange cat chef. You can see that they look exactly like the ones you see on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. You can get my prompt from the description section. Let's select one of these to try generating a video from it. I'll click on the first one. This opens the detailed view of the chosen image. On the right, you'll see several options, including Generate Video. CapCut intelligently uses your selected image as the image prompt for the first frame of your video. You can also add a text prompt here to guide the animation and motion. I'll paste a simple prompt, an orange cat slowly cutting vegetables. Under Model, Video S2.0 Pro is selected, which promises realistic motion. For more settings, we have the duration set to 5 seconds, and the aspect ratio is automatically set to 9:16, matching our source image. It notes that manual adjustments aren't supported at this time for this mode. AI video generation is a complex process and can sometimes encounter temporary issues. If it fails, you can try again later or refine your prompt. I'll try generating again. This time, it says the generation is in queue and will take about 58 minutes. This indicates the server is busy, and we'd have to wait. You can generate your whole images, set and scenes, and queue them for video. You can easily use these free credits and create one video daily. Under the AI Avatar tab, you have options to import character image if you want to animate your own character. For generation effect, you can choose between Master Mode for ultra-realistic full-body movements and background animations, or Fast Mode for quicker generation speed and lower credit cost. For lip sync, you can either use text-to-speech, where you type out what you want the character to say, or upload audio if you already have a voiceover file. If you choose text-to-speech, you can then select from a variety of voices. Clicking the voice selection icon opens a panel with options like Giovanni, Michael, Jesse, Santa 2, and many more, categorized by all, trending, male, and female. I have created a detailed tutorial on lip sync, which you can check by clicking on the above link. Let's return to the main AI features page. You can see the various AI tools clearly listed on the left sidebar: image generator, video generator, AI avatar, music generator, and mimic motion. If we navigate to the video generator, it shows our previous video generation still in the queue, indicating it's processing in the background. If I go back to the Generate Images tab, I can see my prompt and past generated images. In the next class, we will look at Image Editing tab. This section offers various templates for different platforms and purposes, such as Instagram post, Instagram story, YouTube thumbnail, and TikTok. It's a great way to quickly create visually appealing content using pre-designed layouts, further assisted by AI for elements like background removal or smart resizing. And that wraps up our tour of CapCut's incredible AI features. From generating detailed images from text to creating dynamic videos and even animating avatars, these tools offer immense creative power right at your fingertips. If you want a detailed tutorial on any of the features mentioned, you can comment your request in the comment section. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative content tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!